Welcome. Today we're diving into a topic that many WhatsApp users have been curious about: how to view all locked chats on your app. Whether you're looking to access important messages or just want to check in on hidden conversations, I've got you covered. Let's get started with this updated method of viewing your locked chats. Follow these simple steps and you'll be accessing your hidden messages in no time. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app to ensure everything runs smoothly. Step 2. Swipe down on the chat page. This swipe gesture will help reveal the locked hidden chat icon. You might need to make sure you're on the main chat screen, where all your conversations appear. Step 3. Now you will see the locked hidden chat icon, so go ahead and tap on it. This will give you access to those chats that are tucked away from your main conversation list. Step 4. Finally, scan your fingerprint or verify your password. This step is crucial for keeping your chat secure, as it ensures that only you can access those hidden messages. And that's it. Once you complete these steps, you'll have full access to your locked chats in WhatsApp. It's a straightforward process, and now you'll be able to find those important messages you've stored away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.